This question says a block of mass 5 kg lies on a rough horizontal table. A force 19.6 Newton is enough to keep the body sliding at uniform velocity. The coefficient of sliding friction is. So what does it say? A force of 19.6 Newton is enough to keep the body sliding at uniform velocity. That means applied force is equal to frictional force. So because applied force equal to frictional force, the net force acting on it is 0. So frictional force is how much? Applied force, that is 19.6 Newton. Now we are required to find coefficient of sliding friction or kinetic friction. F equal to, I can write mu k into m into g. So mu k equal to 19.6 by mg. So that can be written as 19.6 by m is 5 into g is 9.8. 9.8 once 9.82. So that is 2 by 5. So the coefficient of friction would be 0.4. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.